In this video, I'll introduce the concepts that are associated with Chapter 7 on work and kinetic energy. So a few concepts here. Work. So work is measured in joules. And when you do work, you create a change in energy. That's the definition of work in physics. There are things that we can do that feel like work that don't do physical work. So we'll get examples of that later. Work can be positive or negative. If I am doing something to a system that increases its energy, I am doing positive work. If I'm doing something to a system that decreases the energy of the system, I'm doing negative work. So it can be positive or negative. Energy is an ability to do work. It's kind of a circular argument. Work creates a change in energy. Energy is the ability to do work. They're each defined in relationship to the other. That's the best way that I know to do it. There are different types of energy. One type of energy is called kinetic energy. And kinetic energy is energy of motion. So if something is not moving, that means it has zero kinetic energy. If something is moving, then it has positive kinetic energy. So if it's not moving, zero. If it's moving, it's positive. You cannot have negative kinetic energy. We'll look at graphs of force versus distance, and in those graphs, we'll find that work is the area underneath the curve. So work is the area under the curve of force versus distance. Power. Power is in watts. Okay? That's one of the only SI units that we actually do use in the United States. The electricity that's used by a light bulb is measured in watts. Power is the rate at which work is being done. Or, since work being done makes a change in energy, it can also be the rate at which energy is changing.